Education. Now repeat after me. Education. Education. Education refers to the process of receiving or giving systematic instruction, especially in a school or university. It involves acquiring knowledge, skills, values and habits through teaching, training or research. In a sentence, she believes that education is the key to creating a better future. Here, education refers to the structured process of learning and teaching. Let's try another example. His education in engineering prepared him for a successful career. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using education. Synonyms. Some related terms for education are learning, the process of acquiring knowledge or skills. Instruction, the act of teaching or educating. Antonyms. The opposite of education would be ignorance, lack of knowledge or awareness. Illiteracy, the inability to read or write. Part of speech. Education is a noun referring to the process or system of teaching and learning. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.